Perfect, friends. Now we're going to do a conditional render. We need to place a condition inside this alert component, which is the same one we created in the previous exercise. Look here, we have two components that we're rendering inside a div. Let's hit run to see what happens. In this case, when I press run, notice that I only have two normal alerts. I'll leave them there so we can see how we're going to use this show prop. First, we'll place the props here to be able to use them more easily. Simply put, show is a property of Boolean type, so it would be prop types.bool perfect, and besides that, the text we're passing, which is of string type, so prop types.string perfect. Now, in these props here, we're going to pass the text, so we'll use it here, props.text. Now, let's add the condition, for example, an if statement in this case. I'll place it above so that you can see it, just as LearnPack is telling me how to do it. Notice that LearnPack is showing me how to do it. If I put this prop here, if I place this condition here, if props show equals false, or I could say it like this too, if not props, show, that's also valid, perfect, return null. So let's hit run to see what happens. Let's run it and notice that now we have only one. We used to have two, and now we have only one because we're placing this condition. If the show is false, then we're going to return null, which means we're not going to render anything on the page. Perfect, and now you guys got through this without a problem because we did it right. We added the prop types, used class name instead of class, and placed this condition in the right place.